This is a high-efficiency edible oil production line, capable of producing 17,000 bottles per hour. This is a high-speed linear blow molding machine from Eceng, with 10 cavities. The speed reaches 17,000 bpm. The stable pitch structure ensures high production speed. Next, we arrive at the labeling section. After perfect processing by the op labeling machine, the labeled bottles are about to be conveyed to the filling section. The 24-head filling machine, in conjunction with the capping action, brings the product to the final stage of production. Inspection, boxing, sealing, palletizing, and stretch wrapping. Eceng high-efficiency K10 blow molding machine lays a solid foundation for the entire orderly production process. The stability of the blow molding machine provides the strongest and most fundamental guarantee for the production line.